Hi guys, we received this really nice smart ceiling fan with light, and I like it because you can control it with the remote control that it comes included and with an application, which I think it's gonna be really nice. Let's see what comes inside. What we first find when we open the box, it's some installation manual, some screws, stuff that you need to install it, the control remote, and some batteries, which I think it's really nice. And what I like about this ceiling fan is that it doesn't need to be wired, yes, as it comes with an electrical cord that you just plug in into your electrical outlet, which I think it's a nice option. This is the main unit. As you can see, it has a beautiful design with wood-like design fan blades, which I think it has a really nice combination. In this part is where we have the lights, and as I've said, we get the power cord to place it onto our outlets. So, well, let's go ahead and start finishing the assembly so we can place it onto our ceiling, okay? Come on. Okay, yes, as you can see, it's already installed, and I think it's really nice that you have the both options to control them with your cell phone and the controller, because it makes it easier if you, for a reason, lost your controller and you don't have it at hand. You can obviously turn down the fan speed, turn it off, turn off the light, and everything using both of these options, which I think it's really nice. It has obviously the function to change the temperature of the light, also with the application, change the brightness, as you can see, even change the direction of the fan, so you can use it both on winter and on summer, which I think it's a really nice option. It works perfectly. It's really easy to install. The installation is almost just a screw, and you just plug the fan into your electrical outlet, which I think it's really nice because it also comes with all the hooks to place it in your ceiling without the cable being floating around or waiting until it's connected, which I think it's a really nice option. And overall, I think it's really nice. The design is really beautiful. I like it a lot, and the combination of the ceiling light with the fan and the colored blades, I think it looks amazing, and that's why I would really recommend it. See you guys.